Konnichiwa, minasan. Today, I will tell you how language and gender intersect who I am. Hi, this is Dimisolio Charmin, 19 years old, from Barangay Libertad, where my story is told, taking Bachelor of Arts in English Language at Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology. Language and gender intersect my way. They shape how I speak, what I choose to say. If I'm with the girls, I speak softly and true like, "Could you please hand me that paper?" If I'm with the boys, my bold side comes through like, "Damn it, that's wrong, you idiot!" If I'm with LGBTQ, I shift with pride. I speak their language, stand by their side like, "Yes, queen!" For me, language and gender go hand in hand. They shape who I am and help me stand. Each word I speak shows a part of me. My voice, my choice, my identity. Thank you.